Acting gangster. My bad, y'all. Ah! Bro, car scenes, bro. They the shit. Nah, so today, hey, we about to go catch some crappie, John. Nah, some crappie, man. We're gonna try something a little different. Take the glasses off, man. I feel like I look kind of weird. Yeah, we're gonna try something different today. We got the boat. We still haven't named the boat yet, y'all. So, hey, if you have a name for the boat, I have a big list already. Drop the name in the comments below so we can get this boat named, man. You can't be out there fishing with an unnamed boat, right? That's just not how you do things. So, yeah, we got the battery charged overnight. We're about to get this hooked up, head to the store, get us some bull minnows, and we're gonna catch y'all on the water, man. And hopefully we catch some big ones. Got a new clamp for the boat too, man. So, this right here, I can just clamp to the boat. This thing is freaking grip locked tight as I don't know what. And put my GoPro on it so I don't gotta wear it on my chest all the time and get a different angle for y'all so y'all can see like a different look. But let me get the boat, help my boy get the boat together, and I'll be right back. Boy, you got a healthy one up in there, boy. Got your little chomp. Are you slaying them bluegill? At least you catching. Dang. Get my mans on the cam. Hey, look. Slaying them out here, destroying us. You doing that thing. Look at him go. My man's just slaying them out here. Well, if we don't catch him, my boy got him. I need to get on your color scheme, bro.
Look at this head from how many bites I done had on this damn thing. Look how they pulled the body all on.
Damn.
Shit crazy.
Dang. My man's just the expert out here. Crappie.
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
This shit's going on in the cooler, y'all. You too. Ooh, they in there piled up, looking good. Put him on a piece of bread. Ooh. He got a hog in here though. That one healthy right here, dog. You got you a killer in there.
Alright, my name is Nat. I'm with Innovativejigz. Well, I'm actually the owner, but...
Dude, I appreciate you doing that for me, man.
Oh, you're welcome. Just some of my hand tides, jigs.
Hold up. There you go, yeah.
And that's a splatter head that I made.
Where are you buying those cases?
Amazon. You can find these on Amazon. So, that's what the jigs are producing right here.
That's a big motherfucker.
Ooh, hold on, let me back up. Yeah, I gotta.
Let me grab two.
Shit, that one's even bigger.
Yes, sir.
That's what my jigs are producing. So, if you guys are interested,
Those are fucking nice.
on my Instagram, it's 365 fishing, and that's how you get in contact with me. And I'll make you some of my jigs.
Yes, sir. Hey. About to catch this world record crappie right here. Keep getting them knocks. Ooh, where you at, girl? Hey, yes sir. He gonna eat too. That way, he ain't the biggest, but. Yeah, put some water in there. Let's go. Hey, Carpe Diem. Let's go. He ain't the biggest one, but hey, put him on some white bread. Put him in that deep fry. What he gonna do? He gonna make something shake. That's one. Miss Piggy.
Oh,
Stop playing. What you letting them play for? Both of them?
Look at that. YouTube, baby.
Hey, look.
Look.
Homemade jigs, brother. Homemade jigs.
I ain't ate that, man. Look, I ain't ate that.
Swallowed it, man. Look. Crappie King. We gonna throw him on the boat. Ah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, 2-piece. I appreciate it, man. He like, I'm gonna catch about 6 more anyway. I think it's that color, bro.
Yo, I just started working on the black.
Oh, that was a black?
Yeah, black and pink.
Like you said, though, they might be sitting on something over here. Got one. Yep. Yeah. Oh shit. About to lose him over here. Hey bro, they loving your jigs, bro. You heard me, brother? They loving your jigs. Look at that.
You loving them?
Top of the mouth.
There you go.
You can't catch them no better than that.
You can have them too.
Nice. Damn. They're in here today, huh?
It's a little slow though. It's not like usual, but because sometimes I come out here like Saturday and Sunday. Yeah.
How you doing, sir?
Pretty good, how are you?
I'm trying to, my man trying to teach me the art of
Yeah.
crappie fishing, you know? All right, y'all, long day. Good Lord. Definitely shouts out to 365 Fishing. Man, if it wasn't for him today, we wouldn't have caught no crappie. First off, we were unprepared, didn't have the right rods and reels, didn't have the right baits, and kind of just didn't know what I was doing. You know, it's kind of new. It seems easy, right? But it wasn't that easy for me, I guess, because it's just something I never did. So now we're back at the crib. I had to stop and get some food, man. Was starving like a mug. But here's the spoils of all of our hard work. See if y'all can see that nice bag, man. Nice bag, filled up to the top. We got us a little fillet knife from Dick's Sporting Goods, so we're gonna get this stuff chopped up and maybe do like kind of like a little catch and cook. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get this stuff cleaned up, ready to go, and let y'all join me in on a little bit of this kitchen cook journey, man. So catch y'all in the kitchen.